And I'm live. Let me start by saying that I am not a medical professional nor a doctor, just simply because there's medical stuff in the frame. This is my ditty bag for what I'm gonna do on my AT through hike. I have put a lot of thought into this and years into this, and I'm just gonna say that I'm not gonna try to pack my fears. But being able to sustain yourself and survivability is a big thing to me. Just dealt with a lot of trauma, and we'll just say field medicine, combat medicine. I do have a fair amount of medical training and medical experience, but I'm trying not to put all that in my pack. So we'll just get on there. Everybody's like, ditty. What does a ditty bag mean? So ditty means community, military. Ditty to me is always mean it's time to go. So this would always find its way if I was bugging out somewhere. And then I have, put the personal life out there, but like I have this is like I maintain something more robust than this in my vehicle, if that makes sense. But anyway, trying to keep it light, rip it apart if you will. And a lot of this is DIY and just appropriated military stuff. But if you see anything, take anything out, if you know what you're talking about, because I really do appreciate the feedback I've been getting from the hiking community in general. But anyway, we'll try to go in some sort of sequential order. You just always have to take moleskin, multiple use. This is a bandage with a rapid clotting agent. Don't have something like this if you don't know what you're doing with it. Fresh gauze. And this is actually an old school, and just because it's red, it doesn't mean it's bad. Some medical stuff never expires if it's in an extreme circumstance. That's actually an old school combat field dressing. It blows up when you open it. It's the old green one. It's almost like a burlap. It ties super tight, and you can double it as a tourniquet really quick. Why do you have so much stuff? It's not just for me. It's for, God forbid, I run into somebody that's down bad, or I also have the dog to worry about. And then what if me and the dog both get zapped at once? So that's why I have like that amount of hemorrhaging. We'll stay with this. Drugs, Benadryl, vitamin I, ibuprofen, 200s, and probiotic. Hand sani for cleaning wounds, clean my hands, clean the site, whatever. Gloves, in case I have to touch somebody else. It's as sterile as possible. 3 sewing needles, a few short spools of thread, duct tape in plastic, medical tape wrapped and cut on a straw, gluco tape wrapped and cut on a straw, the old school Swiss Army knife, and yes, unfortunately, guess what? I'm bringing another fucking knife. All right, this is in a ditty bag. It's not gonna be anything crazy. I'm not going John Rambo. It's a little Bucky's knife, but give me a break. I'm trying to be a purist here, like an old school. I have to walk every step with that. This is multi-use, but it is for like a needle decompression. If I had to gain access to your airway through somewhere else in your core other than your mouth or your throat. I just feel Neosporin. And boom. Yes, the pain relieving one. A little Loderman, antifungal. Am I tripping out by not having cortisone? It should be right there. This is some burn relief gel, and I burn myself every day. Sharpie Marky, multi use. Lighter extra rubber band. I feel like this should be in the ditty. I don't feel like this should be with the cook kit for whatever reason, but it's the fuel. It's got it in and out too, in case you think it's like super difficult. It's not a regulator. It's the fuel extractor, whatever. Gear nerds, you guys know what this is. Okay, massage ball, because I'm old and broke. It's great, especially for the feet. The Sawyer might get switched out, man. I don't know. You know I'm a gear nerd, but I have all the Sawyer accessories. So this is the store-bought cap, extra seal, 2 smart water bottle caps. That's actually, I just don't want to lose it. That's why it's in the ditty. I don't really use it, but I feel like I have to have it. I might ditch it. It's the cap for my air pump. Okay, one of the most important of the combat, the ditty bag. This will always be not inside any bag. Hopefully my pack is waterproof enough. They're pretty durable. I try to check it every once in a while to make sure it's still good, to make sure I didn't forget how to use it, because you're supposed to be able to get it on yourself in like 8 seconds. That never goes inside of like a Ziploc bag or anything like that. I usually keep it in the brain, or it's in my fanny pack. Extra S C-clamp. These are high rated, pretty unbreakable, waterproof. Little Amazon deal, DIY. Here's my throwing cord. I got a couple upgrades with this. This is just the most fantastic shit I ever bought for my backpacking gear. Why didn't I have this years ago? Because we all got addicted to that paracord. This is so much lighter and it doesn't tangle. If you want to know, let me know. The emergency poncho, I might end up using that as a drop cloth. And can you see me? Can you see me? An emergency mirror. And then it got separated accordingly, neatly, and then it goes inside this bad boy. I'm gonna put it on time lapse to pack it down and see what it packs down to.